How do you sell a house that needs work? The selling process is already difficult enough, but when you add noticeable problems with the property into the equation, it can make the home sale even more difficult. Inventory is now increasing and buyers have more options to choose from. Your home, which needs repairs, won't likely be their first choice, and those who are interested in purchasing it may make an offer that's less than what you wanted to sell it for. To sell a fixer-upper, there are 3 things that you should do. First is get a home inspection. You know the property is in bad shape, but you are not exactly sure to what extent. So this is when a professional can help. A home inspector will locate the problems and give you a complete rundown of them. Once you have identified what has to be fixed, you can evaluate whether you can afford the repairs and replacements, or if you just sell as is. Also remember that disclosing the issues of your home to the will-be buyers is required by law. You want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any legal repercussions later. Consider selling to an investor or a bargain hunter. The worse the home condition is, the bigger the pool of investment buyers you'll have. Real estate investors don't want to live in their house. They want to repair it and upgrade it so they can sell and earn a profit. Typically, they will pay with cash and will buy the home as is. Bargain hunters, on the other hand, are in search of their dream homes. They're willing to put the elbow grease needed to make the property livable and will overlook a few flaws, as long as they love the location, of course. But be realistic with your price. Whatever market we're in, pricing your home correctly is imperative. This is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition. You have to set a reasonable price, one that is based on research and makes sense for the market. And the best way to do this is by working with a real estate agent. An experienced agent can use their resources and connections to ensure that you get the best possible deal for your sale. Thanks for watching. See you next time.